Balikan po natin ang aksyon dito po sa San Juan Arena on Tuesday at 1 p.m. Perpetual takes on Adamson. Huling laban na yan ng ating elimination round. At ito na ang third member of our panel na naghahanap ng manggang hilaw at may bagoong, si Andre Mulya.
Hindi lang yun yung hinahanap ko, Noel. Pati pizza na libre mo. Anyways, you guys mentioned earlier the absence of Chi Saet. And I got the chance to ask Coach Darwin earlier. Ang sabi niya itong si Chi Saet mawawala for this game and the rest of the week habang tumatakbo ang Intercollegiate League. So Chi Saet is currently with her team, the DLSU Manila team. Now, with this, of course, with this change, Coach Darwin expects Desengaño to step up, and he also noted key adjustments in player positions. If you'll notice, Jen Manzano took over the center position and Bembo filled in Manzano's post as the outside hitter. And finally, Iyumi Yonko started as the first libero. Now, with these changes in the lineup, he expects them to play better defense both at the net and at the back row. Noel and Ivy?
Well, I think it's working para dito sa kuponan ng Lasal Dasmariñas because I don't think Clint Malaso saw this starting lineup sa kanya scouting report.
Yes, most likely the reshuffling or the shuffling of the positions, syempre, would catch San Sebastian off guard.
And ngayon, 5 nga ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Patriots. Crisostomo going to Boli. Boli has only scored 1 point so far. Nice delayed set pero wala naman sa eksena doon. Itong si Bembo. So it will be a point para sa San Sebastian. Ito namang San Sebastian talagang totally rebuilding. I mean, I like Gretchen Sultones but obviously yung presence niya wala rito.
Yes.
But again, it's going to be a long process para kay Clint Malaso in rebuilding the squad. Manzano, hinulog. Crisostomo is there. Boli with a surprise free ball.
Manzano returns. Yun yung mga hirap pag sumasabit sa net, Noel. Diba? Yung the speed will change. Nasa pwesto ka na, then all of a sudden, biglang sasabit. Iiba ang direction, iiba ang speed.
At alam mo naman, si Jen Manzano is a beach volleyball specialist. So isa sa mga specialist, mga ginagawa rin ng mga taga-beach volleyball is naliling lang ginagamit yung net.
That's right.
Roses, Chanko, Desengaño, wicket there coming from Nunag, not effective. Boli blocked there by the setter. Napapanaginipan ni Boli ang mamayang gabi. Na-block ako ng setter ng kalaban. 11-5, timeout San Sebastian.
Pag tumalong ka, pag inipiga mo kasi pa forward yung kamay, tingala mo lang. Bali lang hindi sakto ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, basta may height eh. Pag may height, magagawa ng paraan eh. Hindi mo ibigay yung mga drop ball. Magkapatayan na sa panahon, huwag yung mga drop ball. Ano naman tayo? Isang linggo tayo nag-isala ng puro depensa. Ngayon, wala tayong makuha. Puro drop ball pa yung pumapatay.
I think what Clint Malaso means is mag-aggressive naman tayo mga girls. Tignan natin yung huling play dito. Boli blocked by the opposing setter.
But you can see also sa atake ni Boli, it's not the usual attack.
Right.
Diba? Parang, I think she was trying to just bring the ball over. And very specific instructions din mula kay Coach Clint. No, not very happy with the defense of San Sebastian.
Pero ang ganda naman ng power tip na yon galing kay Suzanne Roses. And while Suzanne Roses is in front, kailangan talaga mamiesta itong koponan ng San Sebastian. Kasi si Boli nalipat na naman sa likuran and she's serving. Jump serve coming. Nice one. But a better reception there from Yonko. Bembo is blocked. Yonko. Nunag. Tumama sa antena. Yun, medyo nagkaluray-luray yung opensa ng Lasal Dasmariñas.
So at this point, we have San Sebastian with 4 attack points, 1 from block, and 4 unforced errors already at a very early stage. Meanwhile, Lasal only scored that first one from Nunag. So medyo controlled ang error dito sa side ng Lasal.
Ayan, service error galing dito kay Boli after a great jump serve earlier. So ngayon, 5 ang abante ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Bembo serving. Verbano. Crisostomo running attack for Sue Roses.
And that was too fast for the blockers of Lasal. You can see here that si Monique Chanco na lang ang sumubok umabot. Hindi na umabot si Nunag.
Pero ang ganda rin ang set doon ni Tricia Crisostomo. Yes. And now she is serving.
Good serve.
Ang liit-liit niya pero lakas ng serve niya no?
You would wonder saan ang galing no? Parang wala ring muscle sa katawan tong batang to eh.
Sa labas naman ang tira ni Zarina Verbano. So nananatili ang kalamangan itong kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. It is still at 5 points. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. And now itong si Mariel Desangaño. Crisostomo, another runner here for Sue Roses. Pero yun yung huling rotation na nasa harap si Roses.
And she will now go up for the serve. Let's take a look again. That was a good setup once again by Crisostomo.
Now Roses. Desangaño now for Yari Yonko. Wala na naman tao sa gitna.
So it is that middle spot doon sa defense ng San Sebastian ng Butas. And I think yun yung nakita at na-realize yun ng Lasal. They have been aiming for that area.
But Yonko scored the majority of the points now para dito sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Service error coming from Nunag. So 14-10. Ito na si Jolina Labiano. Naririnig natin in the background si Darwin Campana. Tigas-tigasan mo naman ng palo.
So that serve was good. Manzano off the block.
Here's Crisostomo.
To set it up. Bolly was blocked once again. Ball is still alive.
Dalawang malaki na block sa kanya doon. Roses, nice dig there by Bembo. Yonko off the block again. Maganda ang gising ni Yari Yonko ngayong araw na to. And again, you can tell by the color of this young lady that she loves playing in the beach as well.
Well, actually, the two sisters, the two Yonko sisters nito recently played in one of the local beach tournaments. At doon ko nalaman, talented pala itong dalawang to.
Oh,
magaling
definitely.
sumayaw.
Sumayaw?
Oo, magaling sumayaw.
Kwento mo yan mamaya sa pagbalik natin. Lamang ng 6 ang Lasal Dasmariñas.